Hey everybody, today we are going to be touring a DRB home. DRB has several communities here in Atlanta Metro that they're working on. This one in particular is in Campcreek. I hope you enjoy this video. It's going to be a beautiful floor plan. They have several different options, about 33 lots available, so I hope you enjoy it. Reach out to me for more information. Campcreek Village is nestled the south side of Atlanta in South Fulton, minutes from the airport. These homes are scheduled to be complete by late summer, so get in now. We will be touring the ISABELLA V floor plan. These homes were beautifully constructed by DRB Homes. Out of 14 plans, these homes range from 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, 2,089 square feet to 3,855 square feet, 2-car garage to 3-car garages. These homes start at $429,900. The schools servicing this community are Stonewall Elementary, Sandtown Middle School, and Westlake High School. Please enjoy the ISABELLA V floor plan tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.